Hi everyone, this is University of Minnesota Extension Educator Megan Weber. I focus on aquatic invasive species and I am a part of the Aquatic Invasive Species Detectors Program Team. I'm coming to you today from some of the trails near my home in Big Lake, Minnesota. One of my favorite parts of my job is getting to teach our workshops. Even though it's the busiest time of year, I really love getting to see everyone and talk about aquatic invasive species and share what I know with all of you so that you can take that out to the state and help make a difference. Since we won't be hosting those this spring, I'm looking forward to finding some more virtual ways to connect with everybody. Pat already shared about our Aquatic Invasive Species Management 101 class that's going to be launching online next month. But the other thing that I've been working on that I'm really excited about is the third edition to our Aquatic Invasive Species Identification Guide. We've added a section in about invasive emergent or wetland plants, and some of those photos were actually taken right here. So I'm standing in front of a patch of invasive narrowleaf and hybrid cattails, and I'm also near an area that has reed canary grass that comes up. So there will be images from both those spots appearing in that new edition once it releases. Some of the things I've been doing to stay busy during the stay-at-home order have included lots of walks on the paths here near my home. The space right behind me is actually one of my favorites because there's a big patch of bladderworts in there, and every year you can watch their yellow flowers poke up through the surface. Bladderworts happen to be my favorite aquatic plant because they're carnivorous. I've also been doing a lot more cooking than I usually do. I get to try some new recipes. We're getting some long overdue projects done at our home, and I'm getting to spend more time with my twin 4-year-olds and also the 2 dogs who are really loving the extra attention and walks. I'll be sure to introduce you to them when I get back to my house.
And as promised, here's the dogs. Lena is the older black dog, and Lucy is the 5-month-old puppy trying to get her to play.
I hope you've been enjoying these little video hellos from the team. We have one left next week from Dan, so until then, stay safe and healthy.